Hi, today let's make spinach with mushroom.
In a large pan, add spinach, cashew nuts, ginger garlic paste, roughly chopped up tomatoes, little bit of baking soda. Baking soda is to preserve green color, and 1/4 cup water. Set the stove on medium heat. Mix it just a little bit. Cover the pan with lid and cook it on medium for 10 to 15 minutes. Check it after 10 minutes and here it looks like it's done. Spinach is wilted, tomatoes are soft. And now I will take all this mixture and blend it to a smooth paste and set it aside. Here is my spinach paste. Heat oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and put whole spices. Let the spices bloom. Add sliced up mushrooms. I'm using white mushroom. You can also use brown mushroom. We'll saute them for just a minute and then add our ground spices. We have cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and paprika. If you like it hot, you can add chili pepper instead of paprika. And of course, salt, about half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir. Saute for like a minute or so, and then add blended spinach. Mix everything. One-fourth cup of cashew yogurt. That's all it needs. A little bit of salt, again about half a teaspoon of salt. Always add salt in stages when you're making mushrooms. Give it a good stir, add about half a cup of water or as much as you like. Crush some kasuri methi and add it right in, and that's it. Your spinach with mushroom curry is ready. It is very delicious. I like to serve it with naan or roti. And here I'm going to add a little more yogurt on top to add extra creaminess. And that's it. Thanks for watching.